so excited. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. So as you can see from the title, today I'm doing an unboxing video. So this video is a little bit different from my channel, like what I normally do. But I recently opened my Etsy shop where I sell crystals and resin objects. So I thought I have a couple of crystals coming, so I just do an unboxing because I do really enjoy watching unboxing videos, and I thought, why not just do it? So I currently have one little bag arrived, and I'm waiting for the bigger delivery to come. Like, it's supposed to come today, so hopefully I'm gonna be able to put it in this video. And then I also have some I already unboxed, but I just thought I'm going to show you. So some amethyst and rose quartz. So this is my small parcel I want to open first. So let's crack on with that. It's really hard to wait for unpacking stuff for me, because I just get so excited about crystals that I just want to do them straight away. So yeah, so I'm gonna do this one now, and when the other ones arrive, I'm just gonna start filming again and do them in this video. Yes, it looks like this. So normally with crystals, people pack them really well. There's a lot of like bubble around them, which is really good because it protects the crystals in the shipping. Sometimes it's impossible to kind of open them, but try not to cut anything. I always get so excited when I open new crystals. Okay, so I think these are some. Okay, they're actually so much smaller than I thought. So there's one bag of clear quartz, one bag of fluorite, and I think these are the amethyst. Yes, they are very cute amethyst as well, little block. Yeah, I'm actually a little bit disappointed, to be honest, because I thought they're going to be bigger and more, but I think I can put, because I'm planning to do some starter crystal packs and then put them in that. So yeah, they are like quite small sized, but yeah, I think they're kind of perfect for the boxes I'm trying to do as well, for like some starters. I'm gonna do a close-up in a second so you can see them a little bit better. And the fluorites are very dusty, so definitely need to clean them off. Don't know why the hell they cut them, but they're very dusty. Probably going to be pretty though. But and then these amethysts, they're quite cute though. They're very cute. Okay, I'm gonna do a close-up for you so you can see a little bit closer and tell me what you think down in the comments. Not too bad, I think they're all right. Okay, these are my clear quartz little pieces I just opened. Yeah, some of them are quite small, to be honest, but I'm just gonna put them into like a starter kit and then sell a couple of different crystals together. There you go. They're pretty though. They're just really small, like smaller than I actually expected. Okay, and then we got the fluorite. So as you can see, they're very dusty. So I'm probably going to have to clean these off, and then it's really dusty. You can see, and then see how they're gonna look like after. And then I've got this little amethyst clusters. I think they're very beautiful. Look at that, it's so pretty. And they obviously all different. The way they look is all different for each and every single one of them. Here we go. Some of them are a little bit more dark than others. This one is very pale. But like say that one, it's so much darker. But I think they're very cute. I really like them. Okay, and here are the fluorite. They're a little bit more clean now. We try to get rid of the dust. So you got a little bit of green and purple fluorite in there as well. I think these one is the prettiest because it's kind of like a half and half. I think it's really nice. Okay, and then I have some like amethyst I already put on my shop, and I already like unboxed them before. But I thought, because I haven't shown in a video here, so I'm going to show it. So if you're interested on buying some amethyst, they are actually already listed on my post, so you can go and buy them. And by the way, like all these crystals are going to be available in my shop. So if you're looking for some presents, or you want to use crystals as decoration, or in your house or anything, very good for healing. Do some meditation with and stuff, then just check out my Etsy shop, which is going to be linked down in the description box. So this is one of my amethyst clusters. So this is the smallest one, and then I have one which is a little bit bigger. It's that size. I think they're very beautiful. One I already sold, the biggest one. Someone bought it last week actually, but I think they're so beautiful. So yeah, so those are the amethysts, and I always put them in this little match bag with some like rose petals and stuff. So that's normally like how I store my crystals. And then I'm going to show you my rose quartz, which is actually a little bit more. They already bagged as well. I'll show you some, but I have about 11 of these, so it's quite a lot. So I have some sizes, some different sizes, so they price differently on Etsy as well, depending on the size and the color and everything. But they're very, very beautiful. So happy. Okay, so the rest of the crystals arrived. This is what I was waiting for all day. So I'm gonna open it now. So excited. I really hope these ones are gonna be better than the first ones. And hopefully size-wise as well, worth it a little bit more. Oh my god, how can I be so excited for some crystals? Seriously. Okay, so the inside looks like this. I don't know how much you can see. Got some of these inside, and then I think it's my invoice. And yeah, the crystals are packed together, so I'm gonna put this on the side. Oh, they're really nice. That's pretty much just okay. So that is all the crystals I ordered. And they are individually packed, which is really good. Christmas. I don't even know why. Like, you know, this is what like. This is why I know that I really love crystals, because it's not even for me. This is something I ordered for selling, so it's not that I'm going to keep it or anything. But yeah, I just get so excited. Okay, so got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some of them are a bit bigger, some of them are a bit smaller. So I got some spheres, I've got some palm stones, and I think some generator points. So I'm going to start with these. I think these are the palm stones. I'm going to have a look at the invoice. Yeah, I think these are more kite. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm going to put it on the screen for you to see what they're supposed to be. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I can't. Oh my god, these are amazing. Again, I'm going to do a close-up for you, but oh my god, this definitely going to order from this place again. This is amazing. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna open them all, and then I do a close-up from all of them after. So these are probably some of the spheres. Yes, smoky quartz. Oh my god, I can't. God, how am I supposed to sell these? So pretty. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, so smoky quartz spheres. Then I have some, yeah, these are the points. I think these are supposed to be labradorite. Oh my god, so what the hell? Yeah, so these are labradorites, raw labradorite. So yeah, you need to make sure that you move them around quite a bit. You see, and they're not as flashy as I thought they would be. But yeah, labradorite points. Honestly, I don't think I was this excited for Christmas. So some fluorite. Is this fluorite? Yes, it's fluorite. This one's got a bit more purple, and this one is got green and purple in it. Very pretty. And then the last one. Oh, this is going too fast. They packed it really well, but not too, like, you know, because sometimes, like with the first one, it was like super hard to like even start to unpack it, or like, you know. I think these might be, yeah, these are hearts. So I ordered some labradorite hearts. What else? Oh, yeah, and ocean jasper. So I think these are all mixed together. Wow. Now figure out which one is which. There's jasper. There's 4 each. Yes. So I got some labradorite hearts, which are these size. I don't think I'm gonna order labradorite anymore from them because they're not as, they don't really have the colors. They're just like grey. But the jasper is really nice. Yeah, I'm really happy with them. I think what I'm the happiest about is the palm stones and yeah, the, what's it called? Smoky quartz. Really nice. Okay, let me do a close-up for you. Okay, so these are my palm stone. Close. There's another one, a very different color. So nice that they're all like really different. Another one. And then the last one. Then I have the fluorite. Okay, and that's the fluorite sphere. And then I have another one. This one's got a little bit more green in it. Then I have my smoky quartz. So this one has a lot of rainbows and a little bit lighter than the other one. And then the second one is much darker. You can actually see me in the reflection. Oh, there's a big rainbow there. So flashy, you can't even see that big rainbow. And then the labradorite point, which is just, yeah, it doesn't really have any flash. Well, a little bit, but not much. Then another one. And then I have more labradorite heart. These got a little flash on the corner, but that's pretty much it. And then it's a bit lighter. And then the last one. See, just a little bit here and there, but not really much. And this is the ocean jasper. It's got a little green in it as well. It's pretty pretty, I think. Another one that's got some caves here as well. I really like stuff like that, druzy sides. Then the next one. And then I've got the last one with a little bit more brown. So this one has more brown and it's got this clear top. I think it's really pretty. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more unpacking videos in the future, let me know, because I'm probably going to order more stuff because I'm going to need to for my shop. So if you want to see that, just let me know down in the comments, and I see you in my next video. Bye!